Put it up so that you can open this too. So, as you all know, I'm doing this van conversion and I'm trying to reuse some stuff we have because we have a lot of stuff at home. And for my kitchen, I found this beautiful cupboard. I'm gonna now convert it into a kitchen. Hi girl, wanna see my sink? Look at that! Alright, so today I've been working with the soon-to-be kitchen and yeah, I'm gonna do a first check if it works. So here it is, my kitchen, my sink I installed today with a nice little crane, I don't know what you say, tap. You come down, the tap comes there. Oh, and in order to have the stuff not fall out, I'm gonna install some locks on the hatches, but also I'm gonna put some like a tree kind of rib here, so it will stop things from pushing on the doors. Today's project. The thing I'm gonna do with the kitchen is I'm gonna try out these things I bought from Wish. Bought 12 for like $12 or something, and they essentially what they do is you put this on one side of the cupboard and this on the door, or the other way, haven't figured out, and then they hatch together like this, so when you open the door it's almost like a lock, so you have to open quite tough. And that's because this is going to be in the car, and if I'm going to turn around and stuff, I don't want the hatches to go off and things to jump around and swivel around and stuff. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so I'm now screwed on this little thing here. I will put that here, and when I close this one, this is going to catch it. And that's gonna make the drawer not open when I turn. So now it takes a little bit of effort to open it up, and it's because of this and this that opens up. So that's I'm really happy with. Now I'm looking to what I'm gonna do with this cooker. If I'm gonna make a frame for it, or if I'm just gonna mount it like this. This is probably gonna go behind here, and in here where I'm gonna have the butane, or whatever you say. Screw on the kitchen. So I've marked where I need it to be. So it screws into this, and then put those things. And now I'm gonna do a thing I've been planning for a very long time. So I got a 90-centimeter bed wide, but I want to make it a little bit bigger. So the back of my sofa is gonna be able to fold up. I found this old door, which I'm gonna see if I can use that. So now I've cut the door, and it's quite a lightweight door. Has kind of like a paper texture in the middle. But it's quite strong. I've also sawed a more solid one for the end of it. Alright, so I need to show you this thing my badass dad made. So, doesn't look much, but when you want a big bed, put it up, put this back under, fold it under, boom, and it'll stand there. I think it's gonna be awesome. Whoa! Boom, what a day. I sorted out the backrest for the sofa, and it now has legs, one on each side. And on top, the bed. And what you can do is you can fold them up, and it goes down. Wow! Super happy. This has been in my head for ages, and now finally it's like physical and feels good. So yet another good day, very close to the finish line now, and I'm psyched. Hola amigos, today I'm about to cover the sofa. Look at this. Here we go. That's freaking awesome. This is where we're gonna have a bench board. That it's gonna be able to flip up. So what I need to do is I need to lower these in to this wood. So using a hammer and a thing to make that hole, and hopefully it works. Seriously, what a day. I mean, I've been in the workshop bigger part of the day, but it hasn't felt like I'm going anywhere. But I mean, look at this. So what I've done is the sofa or the bench is now all covered. And it's nicely done. What I also did was I mounted this little hatch you can open. But what I also did was I attached the bench so that you can open this too. And that's where the refrigerator is gonna be, or the cool box. And I'm just so psyched. Looks so cool, man. As I've probably shown, I've made the bench openable so I could have my cool box down there. And now I've been waiting for like 3 months, seriously, to get these gas springs, and I'm now gonna attach them and hope they work, because I've been waiting for so long. But yeah, I'm gonna attach them here and here so that it stays up. It does that anyway, but now it can anytime just flick down, and it's a bit dangerous and stuff. So we'll see what we can do. Got it on place and it worked. Stays up, easy to take down. Bam. So I was a little bit afraid this is going to be too strong, but it works pretty well. And just listen to this sound, okay? All right, now it's time to actually put a floor on here. I'm gonna go with like a laminate floor, but before I do that, I just want to rinse it off, clean it, and then. Because after that, it's going to be under the floor all the time, and you want it to be clean. Next thing, to put some mats. Standing on my new floor without shoes, that's the first time.
And if you want to follow this build, don't forget to like, subscribe, and bell button. See ya!